This video provides an overview of Keysight Software Manager Utility, KSM-U. Let's have a look at the KSM-U main functions. KSM-U shows the best host IDs to use when you assign new licenses. Two ways are provided to add new licenses: activation and install. You can use KSM-U to specify one or more remote license servers from which to obtain floating licenses. The Borrow wizard shows available floating licenses. All licenses and types can be seen in the View Licenses tab. Clicking the trash icon uninstalls a selected license. If transportable licenses are installed, you can transport those to another machine by clicking the Transport button. Check on license usage in the View Usage tab. The Check for Updates feature makes it easy to keep KSM-U up to date. Check for Updates also queries the Keysight Software Manager web server to check if there are renewal licenses that reflect a new subscription end date. Under Help, where you find Check for Updates, you can click Technical Support and generate a diagnostic file that can assist in troubleshooting. Finally, under the Tools menu, you can generate a system report and manage preferences. Those are the main features of KSM-U. Thank you for watching.